What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Windows 11 keyboard number keys not working. Let's start by clicking on the search bar below, then type in Control Panel and open it. In the Control Panel, click Ease of Access. Then open the Ease of Access Center. Look for Make the Keyboard Easier to Use and click it. Now here, uncheck the box beside Turn on Mouse Keys. Then click Apply below and click OK. Next method is to simply turn on the number lock keys in your keyboard. As for the third method, right-click on the Start button or the Windows logo below and choose Device Manager on a pop-up. Expand the keyboards and right-click on a keyboard device. Then choose Update Driver. Now here, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now click on the keyboard device and then click Next to update it. Wait for it to finish and then restart your computer. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.